biak malakal Nuer online TV channel to konka breaking news mbikona linka jan gwasamere which ka greater penal state cha kuäär shalka wudok cha je geren tama cha lanne Koang shora le gwada jandana balinga jan gwasame mi jiramba jidit kan Nuer online TV channel nakaje en wo jindera support der subscribe ke der notification bell reje twany ko mete ke ler mi shibere der shamala shubekaya der shamala shubekeji ke naramo mo mi shi subscribe ko Nuer online TV yo an ler baling wasme jen chala yene won bana wutin ka do bana inshallah ke jam and me there are breaking news along commandant lat Carodian so yene diala kona ngai commandant to gre weke greater penal state gorjen obiate ka leng mi gwalong commandant shora lat ala general Koang shora le chala ro shade kwany ala kuäär dini jan ka greater penal state and temam right corner jikir ma yadit che James wudok o yai che jawuch re which ka greater penal state ramadan la governor tam right corner Koang shora le Koang shora le jaramdan cha kwany ala kuäär and dini jan tam are which ka greater penal state ngayen mukwanke gordon mukwanke Koang shora le ya ngayena I think ngayen diale Kenya makan kon manda le rora ne gorono banalat South Sudan president Salva Kiir ma yadit kwany wuda me ko ngeje no chinwar jelok kare dan sho lare wi kan nasir gwade chaje kwany jen kene Johnson oluny ko chaje ngaje gwan wone ne cha Koang shora le cha loko Nuer kamadan shoda lat cha goro no Koang shora le jaram dana bi Nuer bi kana ke jaram dana ba na ka Nuer murai ko nen tama cha ngaje no jang melet kene ke dinka government let kene kalaran toktogo no ba Nuer ba kana ka tan Nuer ina cikir me yadit ke jen tok tianga me cha roja no cha jimsu dok cha jawuch ka cha lieutenant general Lieutenant General James Koang shora le cha kwanya la greater penal state governor jaram na la governor kuäär dini janatama ano batte mi cha kolat gwasme kunya kwanke General James Koang shora le wajen a violation ke yerungon me cha tan ko ron kin dang wal badak position inshallah tina wa chi position den she position kuma she position part as pelem she position Kiir ma yadit a position dung Kiir dung dakreng machar ano bajala tui ko am right corner jeneri wan chega gay ano jimsu do me kwa ingeje wajen kwa ingeje ka kwi mal me cha tan ko ron kin dang wal badak ka kwi power sharing ka kwanje ne ke paikel ron kin dangro jen dangro le diok jen gode ko nge jeten General James Koang shora le mi cha ko la governor antama me shi James dok ci de wojene wa ci kan ngoti kan kayar ana wate ram ci ka roy ka spele mayo kan ram dan la le re lat keram dan roy la secretary duma char wuri chal ka pogbot balwang wa kan la ler te ram cha la ler shikanong ne jabas ka dobra kan goro jeno bala kuäär ke akwen je yega to English biajelin biaje kulelin ogwa South Sudan President Salva Kiir has appointed a member of his own party as a penal state governor. According to a decree read on state media, the move appeared to breach a peace deal under which the role should be selected by the party of first by President Dr. Machar, a opposition leader. In 2018, Kiir and Machar signed a peace agreement, ending 5 years of civil war. However, implementation of the deal has been slow, and a bout of fighting have continued to kill and displace large number of civilians. According to the decree read on state TV late on Wednesday, Kiir replaced James Wudok or Yai with Lieutenant General James Koang Raleigh, a loyal SSPDF general responsible for training, and former rebel commander under Machar. Udog was appointed to the role as a part of the 2010 power sharing deal in January 2023. The appointment of General James Koang as the governor of Upper Nile, replacing James Udog Oya, is unilateral, and it is a violation of the peace agreement. There was no prior consultation. Say Pokbut Balwang, press secretary in Machar's office. From our side, we believe this country needs the implementation of peace agreement, but the other party lack the political will to implement it. We believe all these violations, which only occur in the state's government or the state governed by the SPLMIO, are an attempt to abrogate the agreement. President Kiir's decision is likely to cause paralysis in the implementation of the peace deal, which is meant to culminate in a national election at the end of 2026. The appointment of a loyal general to be in charge of Upper Nile State comes amid escalating fear of a return to civil war. As tension between Kiir and Machar deepen, the SSPD, backed by Uganda troops since last week, has been launching air strike on a number of areas in Upper Nile region, including Nasser, in an attempt to retake the town from the White Army, a loosely organized militia linked to first by President Riek Machar. The White Army seized the town of Nasser following out of clash with the SSPDF on Machar force. Mishanen Guadame war violation came one Machayar. Koang shura legend cha kwan la kuäär ke great Upper Nile State. Guyenede. Get video tell like la jang let ken la to go bugan war bugan go quote karodian. Too much. So jen dana yitok gwa en ban je gum den gore ni je no biam dan tok ten biaje ling bay la lar man dan to kor gwa san bi betemal.